What's the meaning of comparatively? Comparatively. Comparatively.
Comparatively. Comparatively. Comparatively is an adverb used to indicate a comparison between two things, highlighting similarities or differences in degree. It suggests that one thing is being compared to another, typically with the aim of demonstrating a contrast in size, quality, or performance. For instance, if you say this laptop is comparatively faster than my old one, you mean the new laptop is faster relative to your old one. The use of comparatively is useful in making comparisons more precise and accurate. It helps to clarify the degree of difference between the compared items.